the following activities that we prepared?
Yes, I'm ready.
That's great then. So let's start now. True or false? I will read the statement twice and you have to tell me if it is true or false. An American teenager was helping out at a university. Again, an American teenager was helping out at a university. True or false?
British, so false.
False, very good. Not American but British. It is blank.
It is located about.
Okay. It is located about 1,000 light years away and it is waiting to be named.
Let's read the article. You will read the first paragraph and I will read the second paragraph. Most people who give up on their resolutions do so because of lack of willpower and the use of the escape clause that they will try again next year.
Oh, what's meaning of bow?
Oh, like a promise.
A promise.
How difficult would it be for you to save money this year?
When I go to shopping, then I find something I need or I like, I always try to buy it.
Yeah.
So I think it's difficult to save money.
That's correct. And that's true.